Is your Volkswagen infotainment screen freezing or unresponsive? You're not alone. Many VW owners, especially those with older models using the MIB2 or MIB3 systems, have experienced this. Freezing can stem from cache overloads, software bugs, or hardware limitations. The good news is VW has been actively addressing this through OTA updates, recalls, and hardware improvements, particularly with the newer VW.OS found in models like the ID series. If you're experiencing freezes, the first step is to determine your system type. Newer vehicles with VW.OS are less prone to this issue due to better memory management and cloud integration. For older systems, software updates are crucial. VW has released several updates to address kernel bugs and improve multitasking, significantly reducing freezing incidents. If updates aren't resolving the issue, it may be time to consider manual fixes. When your VW infotainment system freezes, try a soft reboot first. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a restart without losing data. This often fixes temporary glitches. If the screen stays unresponsive, clear the system's cache. Press and hold the volume buttons for about 5 seconds to access the hidden menu. Then select the option to clear temporary files. If these steps fail, perform a hard reset. Disconnect the battery for 30 minutes or use VW's Reset Tool app to restore the system. Ensure your system has the latest software. Install updates via the VW app or visit a dealership, as these contain bug fixes for freezing issues. For persistent problems, use an OBD2 scanner to check error codes like Euro155 or P16F0, which indicate communication or module errors. If issues persist, seek professional diagnosis to avoid voiding warranties. Stay informed about VW's OTA updates for ongoing reliability.